wala kayong energy. Let's do an energy check. Hello, Philippines!
Hello, world!
Very good. Ay, hindi naman na ginagawa. I'm so sorry, maki-edit na lang po yung ano. Anyway, this is stage 2. I am from PBB Connect, season 9. Ano ba? The person you love to hate on social media. Char! Anyway, ano bang mabibigay kong advice? Okay, kasi yung kanina tapos na sila sa level 1. Hindi pa kayo tapos? You're not yet done? Okay. Ang advice ko sa inyo, since you're gonna do the first stage pa lang, is the first few seconds, the moment you stand here, the first few seconds are the most important. Kung may nakahanda kayong speech or talumpate or kung anumang drama sa buhay, get rid of it. Kasi ang gusto nila yung natural, yung totoo. So, first few seconds and please smile. Thank you!